enable the fire alert. So now fire alert system is enabled. Now we'll give the fire to this sensor, IR sensor. Okay, you can see here we have got notification about alert fire at house. Hi guys, welcome to Mac to Explore YouTube channel. First of all, we thank all our subscribers and viewers for all the support and encouragement you have given to us. In this video, we are going to see a new project, home security system using ESP32 CAM and Telegram app. In this project, we will build a home security system using AI Thinker's ESP32 CAM development board, which will notify us on our Telegram app about any intruder trying to break in our house by capturing and sending his photo to us. For that, we have used PIR motion sensors and magnetic door sensors. We have also implemented fire, smoke and gas leak alert system in this project. Now let's see overview what we will be covering in this video. In this video, we will first see functional block diagram of this project. Then we will see what hardware included in this project, like components. After that, we will see schematic, means circuit diagram of this project. Then next we will see software part. In software part, we will see about apps like Telegram, which we are going to use in this project. Then we will see the info, all the info about source code of this project, like what libraries used and which ID we are going to use, etc. After that, we will see how to program AI Thinker's ESP32 CAM development board. And finally, we will see the demonstration of this project. So let's get started and see functional block diagram of this project. So for home security system, we are going to implement intruder or door alert, fire alarm, smoke alarm and gas leak alert system. For this, we are going to use different sensors such as magnetic reed switch door sensors for monitoring doors, also PIR motion sensor for intruder motion sensing, then flame or fire sensor to detect fire in the house, and MQ6 smoke and LPG gas leak sensor. To fetch all the sensor readings and process them, we are using AI Thinker's ESP32 CAM development board. This board has an onboard camera, you can see here. This board is a Wi-Fi enabled, so we can connect our security system to our wireless Wi-Fi router, which is further connected to the internet. So this whole system is our home security system. Now suppose we are away from our home and at anywhere in the world we have smartphone with internet connectivity and we have installed Telegram application on our smartphone. Then we will get notified about intruder alert, fire alert, smoke alert, gas alert on our Telegram app. The bot which we are going to create on Telegram app will interact with our home security system and give alerts us if anybody forcefully enter in a house. It will also capture the photo of the intruder. So you can see here Telegram, the bot named Mac to Explore. We are also interacting with this bot to engage or enable disable security system and its controls like door monitor, intruder monitor, smoke monitor, fire monitor, etc. We can turn these features on and off by just giving command to this bot. You can see here. Note, if we give command like monitor doors, we are simulating here, then we will get about door notifications. So this is all about functional block diagram, how this project works. Now let's see about hardware part. So to assemble this circuit on breadboard, we need following parts: AI Thinker ESP32 CAM development board. This board have a onboard camera, this one, and Wi-Fi and SD card capability, and also very powerful SoC on chip, which is ESP32 as a core processor. Then we will use mini PIR motion sensor AM312 to detect the presence of warm bodies or human body by sensing IR radiation from body heat. Then we will use magnetic reed switch or door sensor to sensing the door open or closed. Then we will use MQ6 gas or smoke sensor, which is also liquefied petroleum gas sensor. Then we will also use flame sensor module to detect the fire or flame. Then we will need two 10K resistors to limit the current which we are going to use for door switch sensors. Then we will use logic level shifter module. This will require to shift voltage levels like TTL 5 volt to 3.3 volt. We will explain this in later part of this video in circuit diagram explanation. Now let's move forward. We will also need FTDI programmer to upload the code, and this is FT232RL FTDI programmer module. We will also explain about this in a later part of this video when we see how to upload the code into ESP32 CAM development board. After that we will need breadboard MB102 for mounting all the components. Then we will need MB102 breadboard power supply module. This module converts the battery power to 5 volt and 3.3 volt level. This is basically power converter board which can be mounted on breadboard like this, and it has onboard AMS 1117 SMDs, power SMDs, which converts voltages to 3.3 volt and 5 volt. This module also take input from DC jack as well as through USB also, and it has a push button to turn on and off here, and it has also jumpers to switch the levels, voltage levels to 3.3 volt and 5 volt on the power rails. Next you will need jumper wires to make the connections. Then we will use 7.4 volt LiPo battery or power bank powering the circuitry. And finally we will need USB A to mini USB cable to upload the code into ESP32 CAM development board. So these all are about components involved to build this project. Now let's see about circuit diagram of this project. In the circuit diagram of this project, you can see ESP32 CAM is a heart or brain of the system. MQ6 sensor, flame sensor, PIR sensor, magnetic door sensors, these are all sensors. This is a MB102 power supply breakout board which convert power supply to 5 volt and 3.3 volt logic level supply. All the connections and mnemonics are given in color coding, you can see here. You can check out this schematic on our GitHub page. You will find the links in the description of this video. So we have seen earlier, we have used here level shifter module. So this level shifter module will require, because this MQ6 and flame sensor, they operate at 5 volt and gives output at 5 volt, but our ESP32 CAM development board, its pin are not 5 volt tolerant. If we connect directly this sensor to ESP32 CAM, the board will not work properly or may get damaged. So to avoid such things, we are going to use this logic level shifter, which shifts brings down the 5 volt TTL from MQ6 and flame sensors to the 3.3 volt, which is compatible with ESP32 CAM development board's pins. So this is use of this logic level shifter module. So these are about hardware part. Now let's see software part. In the software part,